Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Pandra. In this video, we are going to discuss about EAMCET circles. This is the last video, previous EAMCET questions. This is I think ninth video, dear students. Let us have a discussion. The question here: the center of the circle passing through 0, 1 and touching the curve y equal to x square at 2, 4 is. That is the question. This is the circle equation. Observe carefully. Circle equation. Whose center we don't know. That only they are asking. The center I am taking h comma k. Center you take it as O. The center of the circle passing through 0, 1. So passing through 0, 1. I am taking here 0, 1. Somewhere you can take and touching the curve y equal to x square. Y equal to x square means what? Parabola, upward parabola. So the curve like this it is touching. X square is equal to y curve, dear students. At what point? The point is 2, 4. So this point is B, this point is A. You can assume that. Okay. They are asking to find this center. It's very easy. Join these two. Anyway, both are radius only. From the figure, OA is equal to OB. So OA square is equal to OB square only now. So that implies OA square, distance between these two. Square is there means without root. H minus 0 whole square, K minus 1 whole square is equal to OB square. H minus 2 whole square plus K minus 4 whole square. So simplify H square plus K square minus 2K plus 1 equal to H square minus 4H plus 4 K square plus 16 minus 8K. So these values I am taking here, otherwise these values only we can minus 8K, we can take this side plus 8K minus 2K minus 4H we can take this side plus 4H 16 plus 4 20 we can take this side minus 20 and here 1 plus 1 8K minus 2K 6K plus 4H minus 19. Put that equation number 1. After that what we have to do? Option verification we do, dear students. Each and every term we can substitute in the option verification we can do. More than one correct option is satisfying. That time it is a problem. So what I am doing is, this is the curve equation, no? Parabola curve. Tangent equation you draw that. This tangent is obviously perpendicular to this one. OB is perpendicular to this one or OA is also perpendicular based on taking. So, at this, better to substitute and get it answer instead of doing all the things. Tangent equation calculate and this slope of the tangent and slope of this OB, both are perpendicular. No, we get another equation like this. Solve the two equations, we will get the center. That is one procedure. Otherwise, we can substitute in this equation h comma k value. This is h comma k like this. Which option is going to satisfy? That is the right answer. But I will show that another method also for you. Tangent equation x square plus equal to y for this tangent equation. Differentiate with respect to x. Why we are using differentiation? Easy to remember. Easy to find out the slope. 2x equal to dy by dx. Slope we got it now. Slope at what point? 2, 4. Slope means m. Dy by dx is equal to m. Dy by dx at 2, 4. In place of x substitute 2. 2 2s are 4. So slope of tangent it is. Slope of tangent 4. OB is perpendicular to the tangent. OB is perpendicular to tangent. Whenever the line is perpendicular to tangent, the product of slopes is equal to minus 1. So OB slope is what? 4 minus k. by 2 minus h into 4 is equal to minus 1. These two are perpendicular. That is the reason m1 and 2 equal to minus 1. So cross multiplication 16 minus 4k is equal to minus 2h plus h. So these values we can take this side, h plus 4k minus 18 equal to 0. Equation number 2. Solving these two. So equation 1 and solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. So here plus h is there, here 4h is there. So this equation multiplying by 6. 4h plus 16k minus 72 equal to 0, multiplying by 4, dear students. So here 4h plus 6k minus 19, subtracting, sign change. These two will be cancelled. 10k minus 72 minus 19. So 53. So k is equal to 53 by 10. K is equal to 53 by 10. We have two options. So B option not correct, C option not correct. K is equal to 53 by 10, substitute in this equation. So H is equal to 18 minus 4 times of 53 by 10. 2 2s are 2 20s. So what happens here? 4 times 2 2s are 2 10s. Sorry, 2 5s are. So 18 5s are 90 minus 53 into 2, 106 by 5. 90 minus 106 means minus 16. So therefore H is equal to minus 16 by 5. Therefore center H comma K, dear students, minus 16 by 5 comma 53 by 10, which is there in the fourth option. I hope you understand. We'll move on to the next question. The next question. If the number of common tangents to the pair of circles x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 4x minus 4y plus 6 equal to 0 is equal to 4. The number of common tangents is 4. Then the least integral value of alpha. When the number of common tangents are 4, for what relative position of circles? When the circles are like this now, when the two circles do not intersect, one circle is away from other circle, total 4 common tangents are possible. So these are the 4 common tangents, dear students. When this situation will arise, whenever C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. So we need to calculate both the circle centers and radii. Center of first circle C1 equal to 1 comma minus 2. Center of second circle C2 minus 2 comma 2. C1 C2 distance between their centers 1 minus of minus 2. 3 square 9 minus 2 minus 16, therefore minus 4 whole square. So 16 plus 9 25 means 5. So distance between them is this one. R1, radius of first circle, R1 is equal to root over first circle center 1 square plus 4 minus of minus 4 plus 4, root 9 means what? 3. R2 square root of 4 plus 4 minus alpha. So root 8 minus alpha. So these values substitute in this. C1, C2 5 is greater than R1 value is 3 plus root 8 minus alpha. 3 we can take this side. 5 minus 3 is greater than root 8 minus alpha. 2 is greater than root 8 minus alpha. So after that what we have to do is squaring on both sides. So 4 is greater than 8 minus alpha we can take this side. So alpha is greater than 8 minus 4. alpha is greater than 4. Alpha is greater than 4 means what? Alpha value may be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on like this. Among these least integral value, what is the least value among these? 5. So 5 is the right answer, dear students. We'll move on to the next question. The next question. The equation of circle of radius 5 units touching another circle at the point 5 comma 5 is. This is looking like IP problem only. It is given in the EAMCET. So find the equation of circle with radius 5. This is the equation of circle whose radius is given as 5, but we don't know center. That we can take as h comma k, dear students. And this circle touching another circle, it is given now. This circle, this is first circle center, we are going to calculate. Second circle center we can take as C2. What is the circle center here? C2 is equal to 1 comma 2. You write it here 1 comma 2. x1 y1, x2 y2. We don't know the radius. Radius also calculate. R2 equal to root over 1 plus 4 minus of minus 20 plus 20. So root 25 means 5. Observe, dear students, R1 value, R2 value both are equal. Whenever R1 or R2 equal, is it midpoint? The point of contact is midpoint or not? The point of contact is also given 5 comma 5. So whenever these radius are equal, this point of contact 5 comma 5 is midpoint of C1 C2. So 5 comma 5 is equal to midpoint of C1 C2. So 5 comma 5 equal to midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, h plus 1 by 2, k plus 2 by 2, equating x coordinate, equating y coordinates. That implies h plus 1 equal to 10. So h is equal to 9. K plus 2 equal to 10. K is equal to 8. So h comma k values we got it, radius also we got it. Therefore, the required equation of circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So x minus h value 9 plus y minus 8 whole square equal to 5 square. Just simplification. X square plus y square minus 18x minus 16y. Here 81 plus 64 minus 25. You can simplify here. X square plus y square minus 18x minus 16y. 81 plus 5, 6, 145. So 120 will come now. So this is the required equation of circle, dear students. X square plus y square minus 18x minus 16y plus 120 equal to 0. It is there in the fourth option. We'll move on to the next question, dear students. The next question, the equation of circle concentric with the circle and having the area that is twice the area. So area of circle is pi r square. That we know that pi r square is the area of the circle. So we need to calculate the radius. Here one more condition is given. Concentric with this circle. What is the meaning of concentric circle? The circle which is said to be concentric if the center is same differ with the radii. By observing all the options, all are same center, all are having same center. So here option verification. First, the given circle radius I am calculating. Root over 9 plus 36 minus 15. So which is equal to root 30 will come now. 45 minus 15. So R value. If you calculate the area, A is equal to pi r square means 30. So this given circle area is 30 pi units. What they are asking is having the area concentric with the circle is twice the area. So if the area is double, that means 30 plus 30, 60 pi if you are getting, then answer is required answer. So now option verification we will go. First option I am saying. So first option verification. Option verification. In the first option, first circle, calculate R value. That means R1 you take it now. Root over 9 plus 36 minus of minus 15. 45 plus 15, 60, root 60. So R1 is 60 means A1 is equal to pi R1 square only, no? So pi into 60. So 60 pi, is it double or not? Double the area of the given. So first option is the right option. No need to go for another options. And one more important thing, logically without verification options also, when the question is asking in that way, in the question constant value plus 15 is there, no? So the radius value root 30. So r square value will become 30. If it is minus, same value minus, it will become double according to this. So here plus reason only, now we are getting 60 instead of 30. 60 we are getting now. So whenever without doing also we can write it answer. Whenever the question is asking in this way, here plus 15 is there, answer minus 15. Center anyway equal. Concentric circle. So first option is the right option. We will move on to the next question. The next question. If x equal to 2at by 1 plus t square, y equal to a into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, where t is the parameter, then a equal to. So among the options, it is given length of lattice rectum of the parabola, the radius of the circle, the length of the transverse axis of the hyperbola, the length of the semi-minor axis of ellipse. So we need to decide the conic section is belongs to whether it is hyperbola or parabola or circle or hyperbola or ellipse. So first what we have to do, by observing in the given equations which are parametric equations in terms of t. Parametric equations. So x is equal to 2at by 1 plus t square, y equal to a into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So what we have to do is to eliminate parametric t. Here suitable parametric substitution is, if you take t is equal to tan theta, the x value will becomes 2a into tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Y value is a into 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So x is equal to a, we can take 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is the formula for sin 2 theta. Remember dear students, sin 2 theta in terms of tan. Now 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is the formula for cos 2 theta in terms of tan. So y is equal to a cos 2 theta. So here x is equal to a sin 2 theta, y is equal to a cos 2 theta. Easy to eliminate that theta value, no? Squaring on both sides and add. So x square is equal to a square sin square 2 theta. Y square is equal to a square cos square 2 theta. So adding both equations now, x square plus y square is equal to a square sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1 only, no? So x square plus y square equal to a square, this value is 1. It represents a circle. So it is compared with x square plus y square equal to a square, r square. R is equal to a radius of the circle only, no? Radius of the circle. So the option is the radius of the circle, which is there in the second option. We'll move on to the next question, dear students. The next question. Consider the following statements. If p of x1, y1 and p of x2, y2 are conjugate points with respect to the circle, then x1, x2 plus y1, y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c equal to 0. Second statement, the pole of the line x1 plus y1 plus 1 equal x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 with respect to the circle is x square plus y square equal to 9 is x plus y equal to 9. So we need to verify whether the statements are correct or wrong. So first s is equal to 0 circle is there. What is the condition? The points are said to be conjugate. S12 equal to 0. That is x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x plus x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c equal to 0. This answer is there here. x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y1 plus y2 plus c. So this answer, first statement is right. Second statement we need to verify. The pole of the line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 with respect to the circle is the pole. So polar equation for this circle is x plus y is equal to 9. So this one is correct or this one is correct. We need to verify. So x square plus y square is equal to 9. We need to take that point. 1 minute. The question whether it is now I corrected it, students. X plus y plus 1 equal to 0 is the polar of this circle at the point 9, 9. So for this circle s is equal to 0, polar is what? Polar of p x1 y1 with respect to s is equal to 0 is s1 equal to 0, dear students. What is s1? x1 according to this circle plus y1 minus 9 equal to 0. 9 we are taking this side. In place of x1 y1, this point substitute 9 comma 9. So x1 y1, x into 9 plus y into 9 minus 9 equal to 0. Dividing by 9, x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. This is called the equation of polar. But given polar is what? X plus y plus 1 is there. So second statement is wrong. First statement is correct. So first one is true and second one is false. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. We will move on to the next question. If P is the point of contact of the circles x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y plus 10 equal to 0 and Q is their external center of similitude, then the equation of the circle with the P and Q as the extremities of the diameter. Extremities of the diameter x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. This is called the equation of circle whose extremities of the diameter of the circle is. So x1, y1, x2, y2 we need to calculate. In that P is point of contact of both circles. First the circle. First circle is what? C1. What is the center of first circle? Minus 2 comma minus 2. Radius of first circle R1 equal to 4 plus 4 minus of minus 10. So root 18. Root 18 can be written as 9 2s are 9, we can take so 3 root 2. Okay. Next center of second circle C2. Center of second circle 3 comma 3. So radius of second circle R2 root over 9 plus 9 minus 10. 18 minus 10, 8. So root 8. Root 8 means 2 root 2. So R1 is to R2. So 3 root 2 is to 2 root 2. Root 2 root 2 get cancelled. 3 is to 2. So R1 plus 3, R2 plus 2. So their centers x1, y1, x2, y2. So don't take these values or endpoints of the diameter, dear students. First P value, point of contact. What is C1, C2 here? Distance between C1, C2. 3 minus half minus 2, root 25. 25. Root 50 means 25 2s are 5 root 2. So sum of these two is equal to 5 root 2 now. So C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Touch each other externally. So whenever touch each other externally, the figure will come like this, dear students. This point P, C1, C2. R1 is to R2. This is point P. Point P divides C1, C2 in the ratio of R1 is to R2. So internal center of similitude, ICS. ICS is equal to P. R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R1 plus R2. R1 y2 plus R2 y1 by R1 plus R2. R1 x2, R1 value 3 I am taking here. R1 x2, x2 value 3, 3 3s are 9. R2 x1, R2 value 2, x1 value minus 2, 2 2s are minus 4. So 9 minus 4 divided by R1 plus R2, 3 plus 2, 5. Why? Because we are taking in terms of without root 2. R1 y2, R1 is 3, y2 3, 3 3s are 9. R2 y1, R2 2, y1 minus 2, 2 minus 2, minus 4 by 5. So you will get 5 by 5, 5 by 5, 1 comma 1, dear students. This is x1, y1. Next, ECS, external center of similitude. Wherever it is there minus, you can write it. 9 plus 4 by 3 minus 2. 9 plus 4 by 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 14, 13, 13. X2, Y2. So these values substitute in the diameter form of the circle. So x minus x1 value is 1. X minus 13 plus y minus 1 into y minus y2. That means 13. So x square minus 13x minus x minus 14x plus 13. Y square minus 14y plus 13. So therefore x square plus y square minus 14x minus 14y plus 26 equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle whose end point of the diameters are P and Q. This is Q, dear students. So among the options, the last option is going to satisfy. We'll move on to the next question. So the next question here is a table match the following type question. It's a conceptually good question. We will see that what happens, what are the questions, what is the answer for this. Let k is greater than 0, S alpha and S beta. Two circles are given, dear students. In the list, first list, point circles of S alpha equal to 0. Point circle means what? Whose radius is 0. So S alpha equal to 0. For this x square, I am talking about a. X square plus y square plus 2 alpha x plus k equal to 0. Radius find out r equal to 0. So root of alpha square minus k equal to 0. So that implies that alpha square minus k equal to 0. Alpha square equal to k. Alpha is equal to plus or minus root k. So center will becomes what? Alpha comma 0 minus alpha comma 0. That means plus or minus root k comma 0. So it is there. So for A option, fourth one is right. Similarly, point circle for S beta. S beta means, here I will do, dear students, S beta. Point circle means radius equal to 0, now x square plus y square plus 2 beta y minus k equal to 0 here. Observe carefully. Or equal to root over beta square plus k equal to 0. So squaring on both sides. Beta square equal to minus k, it is not possible. So any square value need not be negative, no, so do not exist. So what happens for this? Do not exist. Now come to the circles in S alpha equal to 0. In S alpha equal to 0 means point circle, no. So point circle means do not intersect. S alpha equal to 0 or S alpha equal to 0 means alpha equal to plus or minus k if you substitute. Do not intersect. Even intersecting also possible once you check that. Alpha equal to plus or minus root k here if you substitute. X square, 3 option, this is B option, no? B1. X square. And among the options also, fourth one and first one decided. So there is no option for fourth and common. So we need to put this option, but still we will verify. Third option is going to correct option. So for this, S alpha equal to 0, x square plus y square plus 2 alpha value plus or minus now root k x plus k. Center if we find out, this only will come now plus or minus. What is that center? Center we cannot write here. Center we can write, but beta value, beta square minus k equal to, no, we cannot define now this value, beta square equal to minus k, beta value we cannot find. Imaginary numbers will come. So that is the reason non-intersecting will come. It won't intersect. If here point is there means we can say that the point which are intersecting. So obviously the third one is the non-intersecting, the circles. First one is clearly alpha value we are getting, therefore plus or minus root k comma 0. This is the point circle. Even this is also. For this one we will see that the circles in B is B equal to 0 or. So what for it is intersecting or not. SB value means this circle only, no, second circle, last circle. X square plus y square plus 2 beta y minus k equal to 0. C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2, we can do that. C1 C2 means here circle center is minus alpha 0, here this is beta minus 0 comma minus beta. So root over alpha square plus beta square greater than R1 plus R2 means R1 value exists here. Alpha square value, R value, this is R1, alpha square minus k under root plus root of beta square plus k. Squaring on both sides, if we do that, alpha square plus beta square is greater than here alpha square minus k and beta square plus k and plus 2 root alpha square beta square. This value here, all values are equal. This plus k minus k also cancel. We are not getting any result. So we can conclude that this value result, if you find out, touch each other case it will come. And not intersecting case will come. That values will beta square equal to minus k. If you do that, so obviously that second option is going to get it for this. Why? Because here beta square value is not equal to minus k, but it may be intersecting. We'll move on to next question. In the last point, some students are not having clarity. First, second, it is okay. Third one is also, why non-intersecting we are saying means, by observing these values, we cannot say that they are intersecting. Non-intersecting only it will come. C1 CT is always greater than say R1 plus R2 will come. And fourth one, why we are taking this for is intersecting, the doubt will arise now. By observing, this is not point circle. Why? Because if you take R equal to 0, beta square is equal to minus k means it is not possible. It is not possible means R is also not equal to 0. When R is not equal to 0, it is not point circle. That is the reason point circle not there means it is intersecting. Point circle means it is non-intersecting. You remember that way. Point circle here, so non-intersecting. Whenever it is circles are not point circles, then intersecting it will be. That is the reason for second option is the correct option for the fourth one. We'll move on to the next one. Yeah, next question. The equation of the circle touching the line 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 and at the point 1 comma minus 1 and orthogonal to the circle which has the line segment having the endpoints 0 minus 1 and minus 2 comma 3 as a diameter. So diameter end means we can get it x1 y1 x2 y2. Substitute in the diameter equation of circle, you will get one circle x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. So x minus 0 into x minus of minus 2 plus y minus of minus 1 into y minus 3 equal to 0. So x square plus 2x plus y square minus 3y plus y minus 2y minus 3. So x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. So the required equation of circle will be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. These two are orthogonal, they are saying. So 2z, equation 1 you take it, equation 2 is you could take it. 1 and 2 are orthogonal. Whenever it is orthogonal, 2g g dash value 1 here. 2f into minus 1, c minus 3. So 2z minus 2f equal to c minus 3. And one more condition, the circle touching this and passing through indirectly one. This circle now, suppose this is the required circle. Passing through 1 comma minus 1 and touching this point, this line is 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Circle center is what? Minus z minus f only, no? Or is equal to d, you can take it. Otherwise this line slope is slope of these two. Slope of this one, slope of these 2 points. This is some point P, you take it now. C, CP slope. Minus 1, y2 minus y1. So minus 1 plus f by 1 minus of minus z, 1 plus z into this line slope, minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 1. Cross multiply. Minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2f equal to minus 3 into 1, minus 3z. So all these values we can take this side, 3z minus 2f plus 1 equal to 0. This line you can keep it like this. And this circle is passing through 1 comma minus 1 also, no? So in place of x comma 1, substitute 1 comma 1. So passing through 1 comma minus 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 2z minus 2f plus c equal to 0. So 2z minus 2f equal to minus c minus 2. So this equation and this equation we are going to solve. 2z minus 2f equal to minus c minus 2. So now I am adding both the equations. These two will be cancelled. 2z plus 2z, 4z minus 4f minus 5 is equal to minus 5. So solving this equation and this equation, minus 5 we can take this side now, plus 5 will come here. So this equation multiplying by 2 and solve these two. Solving these two, you will get circle equation. So 4g minus 4f plus 5, this equation multiplying by 2, 6z minus 4f plus 2 equal to 0. We are subtracting now, sign change. So minus 2z plus 3 equal to 0. So 2z equal to 3. Z equal to 3 by 2. G equal to 3 by 2, substitute in this. So what happens? 3 into 3 by 2 plus 1 equal to 2z, 2f. So 2 plus 9, 11. 11 by 4 equal to f. F value yes. C value we can calculate from either this one or this one. C value how to calculate? If you substitute here, so 2z means 3 minus 2f means 22 by 4 is equal to minus 2, we can take this at plus 2 equal to minus c. 5 into 20 minus 2, 22 by 4 is equal to minus c. Minus 2 by 4 means minus 1 by 2. C is equal to 1 by 2. So c is equal to 1 by 2. I hope you are able to see. If I write down, so we can till here we can see. So I will write it. X square plus y square plus 2 into g value 3 by 2 x. Next 2fy 2 into 11 by 4 into y. C value plus 1 by 2. So here 2 ones, 2 twos. 2 take LCM. So what happens? 2x square plus 2y square plus 6x plus 11y plus 1 equal to 0. Check once, dear students. Yeah, dear students, here once observe carefully. Minus 3g we are taking this side, minus 2f, but here it will become 5 now. I forgot. Here it will become 5. So whenever it is 5, this equation multiplying by 2, no, this 2 will becomes Multiplying by 2 means 10 will come here, dear students. So minus 2z minus 5 will come here. So g value minus 5 by 2. So obviously it will change based on this. This is minus 5 by 2 means minus 15 by 2 plus 2. Minus 15 plus 2. Minus 13. So minus 15 plus 2. Minus 13 by 4. So it will change here to g value minus 5 by 2. G value minus 5 by 2 substitute here, not in the 5, it's 5 it will be. 15 plus 10 minus 5 by 4. So now minus 5 by 2 it is. This is minus 5 by 4, dear students. Even here also C value also will change, but check once. 2z means 2 into z value, 2z 3 value, 2z is 3, minus 2f. Minus 2f means minus 5 by 2. Just I will check this, dear students, once. So now 2z value 3. It's not 3, it is minus 5. So minus 5 minus 2 into f value minus 5 by 4 is equal to minus c minus 2. This will be okay. So 2 ones to 2's, minus 2 plus minus 10 plus 5 equal to minus 2c minus 4. minus 5 plus 4 equal to minus 2c, minus 1 is equal to minus 2c, c is equal to 1 by 2. C value no change, dear students. So circle equation we want. So x square plus y square plus 2 into minus 5 by 2x plus 2 into f value minus 5 by 4. Y, C value 1 by 2. So 2 ones to 2's, 2 take LCM. The answer will be 2x square plus 2y square minus 10x minus 5y plus 1. This option is there, dear students. Slowly, once while here I forgot to write, no, that's why. 2x square plus 2y square minus 10x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. It is there in the fourth option. 2x square plus 2y square minus 10x minus 5y minus 1 equal to plus 1 equal to 0. It is plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 10x plus 5 is there. So minus 5 only. All this is. Okay. We'll move on to the next question. Yeah, the next question. If the angle between the pair of tangents drawn from point P to the circle is pi by 2, then the locus. So angle between the two tangents formula, we have tan theta by 2 equal to r by root s11, dear students. Whenever theta value 90 by 2 means 45. Tan 45 is what? 1. So since theta equal to 90, then it will become tan 45 r by root s11. This value is equal to 1 only, not tan 45. So therefore r is equal to root s11. What is the radius of this circle? Root of g square plus f square minus c. Root s11 x1 square plus y1 square plus minus 4x1 plus 2y1 plus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2 root 2 equal to root x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 plus 2y1 plus 3. Squaring on both sides and root 2 will come now, 2 we can take aside. So x square plus locus means x1 I will remove and write it. Minus 4x plus 2y, 3 minus 2 is 1. So therefore the required locus is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0, which is in the fourth option. I hope you understand. We'll move on to the next question. And one more important thing, whenever angle between the pair of tangents is 90 degrees, always you remember r is equal to root s11. Radius of the circle equal to length of the tangent. We'll move on to the next question. Yeah, the next question. If a variable circle s equal to 0 means general equation of circle, touching the line y is equal to x. So general equation of circle is what? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, dear students. This is the circle equation. Center is what? Minus z minus f only, no? Touching the line y is equal to x. That means x minus y equal to 0. Whenever the line touches, radius of the circle equal to perpendicular distance only, no? So r is equal to d. R value is what? Root of g square plus f square minus c. Radius of the circle. Next, d, perpendicular distance from 0, 0 minus z, minus f to this line. Minus z plus f divided by root of 1 square plus 1 square. So cross multiplication and squaring on both sides. Root 2 into root of g square plus f square minus c is equal to mod minus z plus f. Squaring on both sides. So here root 2 whole square is 2, g square plus f square minus c is equal to g square plus f square minus 2gf. Now 1 minute, students, the questions. Yeah, the question is correct only. After this, a variable circle is y is equal to x passes through the point 0, 0. Whenever circle passing through the origin, c value 0 only, no? Circle passing through the origin, somewhere you can take it, dear students, somewhere. This is only you can take. Why? Because this line is passing through the origin 0, 0. So c value 0 means this value goes to be 0 only, no? 2g square and g square. So g square 2f square minus f square plus f square. That plus 2gf equal to 0. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square. G plus f whole square. So g is equal to f minus f. G is equal to minus f. We got it. So after that, what we have to do? G is equal to minus f. What equation we got it? And next, the common chord of these two. G plus f only, you take it this one. The common chord of these two. Common chord. And the fixed point that lies on the common chord on the circle. Common chord of these two means s minus s dash equal to 0. This is s, this is s dash. So 2z minus 6. X into 2z minus 6. Next 2f. Y into 2f minus 8. Plus c value 0, no? 0 minus of minus 7. So x 2zx minus 6x plus 2fy minus 8y plus 7 equal to 0. After that, dear students, here the term containing g ones. Here x is there, here also x is there. Common chord we have taken now. This is the common chord. These two will be cancelled anyway. 2zx minus this one. C value 0. It is passing through the origin. Passes through the origin. So now they are asking to find a point. Which point? This line is passing to the fixed point. G is equal to minus f also, no? So what I am doing is, wherever g is there, minus f, or f is there, minus z. So now 2zx minus 6x. In place of f minus z I am writing. So minus gy minus 8y plus 7 equal to 0. The terms containing g one side, g into 2x minus y. From these two, g I am taking common, dear students. The remaining minus 6x plus 8y minus 7. It is in the form of L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. So lines L1 equal to 6x plus 8y minus 7 equal to 0. L2 equal to 2x minus y equal to 0. Solving these equations. So according to the option we will verify, dear students. First option we will take x value 1 by 2 and y value 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 6 by 2. 3, 1 by 2, 8 by 2, 4. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 minus 7, 0. Satisfying. 2 into 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 is what? 2 into 1 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. 1 will come. Y value is 1 by 2. So not satisfying here. From these two, g we are taking common 2x minus y. So 2fy now here also. Here I forgot to write 2fy. Here it also 2fy is there. 2zy means minus 2z. So minus 2x. Here also 2x. So here also 1 by 2, 1 by 2 satisfying. So first option is the right option. If we take both minus 1 by 2, that is not possible. Here it will be. So both the lines are satisfying. Passing to the fixed point, they said no, L1 and L2 are passing through 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So first option is the right option, dear students. We'll move on to the next question now. Yeah, the next question is the last question in this session, dear students. Two chords of the circle x square plus y square minus 2gx minus 2fy plus g square plus h square minus c square equal to 0 are passing through the point g of h plus c and the line y equal to x bisects the chords. Then, so midpoint of chords, bisecting means midpoint. So the circle is like this. This is the midpoint of chord. This point is given g of g comma h plus c. So two chords. Here also somewhere another chord is there. That is y is equal to x. So this is also midpoint of chords. Somewhere else we can take it. Midpoint of chords formula. Midpoint of chords. Anyone? Midpoint of chords. S1 equal to S11. So in this circle, S1 means XX1 plus YY1 minus G into X plus X1. According to this I am writing, dear students. Minus F into Y plus Y1 plus C means G square plus F square minus C. H square minus C is equal to S11 means X1 square plus Y1 square minus 2ZX1 minus 2FY1 plus G square plus H square minus C square. These three will be cancelled. So in place of x1, y1, g and h plus c substitute. Gh in place of x1, g. Gx in place of y1, h plus c. So yh plus yc minus g into x plus x1. So minus gx minus g square minus f1 minus f into h minus fh minus f into c minus fc. This side completed. X1 square plus y1 square minus 2gx1 minus 2fy1. At this point also midpoint of chord. This equation we got it, dear students. So what I am doing is there any similar one we can cancel it. So even x1 square, y1 square is there. Now these values substitute. I forgot. x1 square, x1 value z, z square. H plus c whole square, h square plus c square plus 2hc. Minus 2z square. Minus 2f into minus 2fh minus 2fc. Now, so here minus g square, minus 2g square, g square. Cancel. Next. FC 2HC will wait, dear students, will see. Yeah, dear students, here what we did mistake is this point we have taken in this midpoint of chords, and one more here the line is bisecting these lines is the midpoint of this chord is okay. This line is only y is equal to x means x and y coordinate should be equal. You can take it here x1 y1. This line is passing through this point g comma h plus c. Separately it will be. So this formula is correct. But what we did is in place of Wherever here x1, y1 is there, you replace with x1, y1 only, x1 only, both x and y. Whenever y is equal to x line, this y1 also will becomes x1, you remember. Wherever y1 we wrote here, that replace with x1. So this completely it will be eliminating. So after cancelling this, wherever x1, y1 is there, x1 only rated. Why? Because y is equal to x. X and y coordinates both will be equal in this. So x1, x1. Generally x1, y1. In place of y1 also x1. So x into x1 plus y into x1. In place of y1 also. Minus g into x plus x1 minus f into y plus x1 in place of y1 is equal to x1 square plus x1 square minus 2gx1 minus 2fx1. This passing through this value, this passing through g comma h plus c. This is x1, this is y1 now. X comma y. So wherever x is there, replace with z. So x1 means in place of x1 we replace with, in place of x, g. So wherever x comma y is there, replace with gx h plus c into y. So y value is what? H plus c into x1. So in place of x only, no, so this is x1. Next, minus g into x value z plus x1 minus f into y value h plus c plus x1 equal to x1 square plus x1 square 2x1 square minus 2gx1 minus 2fyx1. So here gx1 hx1 plus cx1 minus g square minus gx1 minus fh minus fc minus fx1 is equal to 2x1 square minus 2gx1 minus 2fx1. All these values we can take this side, dear students. First 2x1 square, 2x1 square. Next 2gx1, here gx1 we can take this side minus gx1. So these two terms over. Next 2fx1, is there any fx1? Yeah. That we can take that side minus fx1. So actually these two will be cancelled now. So 2gx1 as it is we are writing. Next fx1, there is no fx1 here. This we are taking this side. Next as it is these values minus hx1 minus cx1 plus g square plus fh plus fc is equal to 0. So 2 into x1 square, quadratic equation in terms of x. x1 take common minus 2z minus f minus h minus c. The remaining g square plus fh plus fc. Quadratic equation in terms of c. So it is a quadratic equation in x1. So two chords then. Whenever two chords are possible, two chords are there, two chords are possible. Then discriminant of the quadratic equation is 0. What is discriminant? This is A, this is B, this is C. Delta B square minus 4AC divide is greater than 0. If you apply this formula, this is B value, this is A value, this is C value. If you apply and simplify, you will get, dear students, this value. Why? Because it will be very lengthy question. So if you apply, you will get it. After applying, delta greater than 0. Why we are applying? Two chords are possible. So delta greater than 0, you can take it. B square is minus 4AC is greater than 0 from this quadratic equation and get it. This B option. I hope you understand. This is the last video. I completed all the previous TS EAMCET in the circles and system of circles, dear students. Thank you all. Signing off, Maths with Panindram. Jai Hind. I hope that Ranjit Reddy from Karimnagar and their friends satisfies with this, and in the coming week I am going to give conic section questions also. In the coming week I will complete it. Thank you all.